Machita namaGrootman Orlando Pirates kule weekend. The best team in South Africa mos or kanjani idlala i-Nedbank Cup last 32 against TTM Takuma Tsamana. Kule video bafethu ngizo explain why Orlando Pirates is an excitement. Izoba exciting iweza kwenza Orlando Pirates kule weekend apha kule match. Ngola ngolonda apha kule video. Asikhiphani ki matches ezinjena iTakuma mos TTM abasadlali ku-NFD ngoku badlala ku 3rd division. So iPirates as top team iBetway Premiership obviously iza kwenza changes. iPirates in a squad esinobunzulu but i-depth ngesingamla needs players iPirates ezine-talent eziki-form ezine-fitness ezingafumaniyo opportunity bamazidlali. So kule match sawuthola excitement sobona i-squad players. Asikisi ngokuphazamisa Machita, cela singalibali usupport i-channel, ushaye nje u-like okanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosozi kwizigrand ushaye usubscribe sileqa u-20,000 subscribers bafethu. Andicele marandi bafethu ngicela nje usubscribe okanye ulike mojo bafethu. Orlando Pirates ezintswembu zizodlala apha kule game ngoba i-given obviously cup game against i-team ku-3rd division. I-players sayazi mos sonke sizi-fans bafethu sine-players sonke esizithandayo ezingadlaliyo kuzo zonke ii-teams. Zikhona i-players qoma ukhiwa jonge iplayer yami liya akadlala uMchita and la Machita adlala iposition yakhe mantswembu futhi bona it's just the nature of i-team and i-squad esinzulu. So ezi changes masiboneni apha kule video bakhe ngobani i-players bafile kuse esizilindele bakhethiwa sazibona apha kule game zodlala sibukele zona manje adlala i-disc. Le match idlale i-home game ye-TTM idlala ePolokwane. Kuthiwa idlale eDurban futhi for some reason andiyazi akho bali available pha eLimpopo. So le game ndibize kahle futhi abantu baseLimpopo abayifuna wesiLimpopo bathi Limpopo. So yeah, points for him na. Goalkeeper iPirates oqala manje ndithi bafethu fondini ndithi gqenge ngezi players sizilindeleyo pass. iPirates kanye zonke i-team xa usenza i-changes kwi-game so most i-changes ziba ki-attack naka-midfield. I-defense afuneka ngenza i-changes ezininzi because funeka ukuthi make sure ba say you're not going to concede goals. You don't want to create unnecessary pressure. And i-defense akho running engakenziwayo i-defense plus ne-goalkeeping. So awunothi bafuna uresta any goalkeepers zifumana i-chance xa kwi-injury bayajonga injury bone se umuntu angene ngathi idala edlala. So kiki goalkeeper angadrotsha uChayine yes or no bone it's not a guarantee but angadlala uButhelezi goalkeeper y'Orlando Pirates ngibana omnye ngodladla siyabonga dladla akahamba angawayeki loan but ingaba ngodladla kanye bengu Buthelezi. Lena i-50-50 like bone it's give or take, it might happen, it might not happen. You're not the least confident ngayo. And then i-defense I think ungenza change one ungathintsha izoyi-2 center back ngithola mabayirest iBhoza best central defender South Africa uLebone Siyema mamrest udlala usibisi pha leader futhi plus ngibana omnye pha ngibana central defense ePirates iGrand and izipha squadini uMkile unda Thapelo Qoki akabikho fit. Ngubani defenders uSesani ngathi ufit ubuyile Thabiso Sesani angastart apha adlale noSibisi la partnership yabo yakudala. So uzo start uSesani plus noSibisi and then ama-side makenze changes i-right back ne-left back nalapho angatshintsha one afake i-1 because also xa senze changes also funeke ne-system ne-rhythm bona ihlala ikhona ungenzi changes ezi-3 or 4 yonke back 4 ungatshintsha maybe second half if like iPirates leader 3-0 ngeke ngoku sewutshintsha yonke back 4 but ngoku sendishile almost one change i-central defense and then change i-full back a1 adlala uDino van Rooyen because Dino van Rooyen was feeling low usabuyeka injalo sakhangela i-rhythm yakhe uMchita. So Dino sumdropa uzomfaka second half uLebitso. Then left back wenza change uHoto noNdaba kudala beshinselana ngala position manje semaka create excitement kuse uWado faka izilight ukhona ulawe uLelight uTsepo Mlambi Tswempu direct DTC okanye ufake uRace lelathi sokhitha Spurs left back yabo nje create excitement Wado. And then central midfield Makhawula I think uzoqala ngoba Makhawula naye sengonye ubeke injury usethule rhythm yakhe uzoqala nomjita ngaye into esebenza ivule fridge ngena thina la encourage sizoqala Makhawula pha nanithi pitbull umthekala nembiza ipit umjita kakhongothi alokha inincango wakhe central midfield I think uNemthajelo uzodlala call out mafethu Mariko Ntswempu yaseMali ihanga sadlala naye Mariko bafethu Nemthajelo noMariko I think noba tshini second half A1 yazo akazuqala zoyi2 Mariko plus Nemthajelo same time uzoqala umuntu osekudala edlala security which is Makhawula and then incango wakhe bekuNemthajelo then second half angena uMariko because yami Ntswempu la watch out for the player bafethu lo Parades Abdullahi Mariko yaseMali season yakhe le especially next season okanye xuluma ke injury pha ngeke ngoku emasayidini right wing na left wing Parades ne players needs okay uzoqala new signing Daniel Msendami right then left Police ngami udinga rest Police Mufokeng la number 10 position kanye uMbuli ke ya Mufokeng maka rest man Police uMbuli Masangwanye izoqala as a 10 Masangwanye uphambili noMbuli because uye wenza ibench lengiMbuli bengayenza ibench so uMbuli ebenchini Masangwanye number 10 left wing andiyazi bani sevele left wing only Parades bangangomufokeng o Police bani bafethu akhona ngicanga ngifuna uqoka bafethu if ut rest Police noMufokeng Umsendami eqala ngapha kanizeni suggestion ngokwenu bafethu collaboration with the niyazi ball niyazi Parades bani phakla left mangaqali pha if awuqale Mufokeng awuqali Police Musangwanye uzodlala 10 ndinge center forward uMbuthuma makaqhubeke ngerhythm yakhe umse youngster futhi again goes back to la nitithayi ba kuzo zonke departments defense midfield ne-attack kufanele bekhona regular eqalayo ungatshintshi yonke i-setup because of game model bona so uMbuthuma uzoqala then second half ungafaka amajida Radiopane uMakgopa adala idlala man uRadiopane makabambe second half Radiopane qala uMbuthuma then uRadiopane left wing angayazi bafethu cala ninqala i-comments bafethu bana maqale pha left wing so nanso bafethu i-bucks and also second half Light is a midfielder on the Parades Ntswempu makangene Tshepo mla banganene uTshepo bani leya ngoTshepo uSimphiwe Masilela bafethu DTC on the Parades ne midfielder pha Parades number 1 nje DTC this players fine nje Simphiwe Masilela center mid number 8 makangene second half replace uNemthajelo and then ipenye point khali ubona ingena okay Radiopane naye noSimphiwe Selepe ngangena so ya nazo bafethu thini zenu i-suggestions la left wing ngobani wangena second half ufuna ukubona mhlawumbe noba zikhona inye players endizilebeleyo masincole comments bafethu ngale bal support channel shy ulike kanye subscribe Parades obviously apha it's a matter of score sayaba Parades izoyina le game yeki last 16 Nedbank Cup last season yakiwa final Kaizer Chiefs on the Parades they on course of a double treble bafethu because elite title Parades as favorites zoyina by winning like say Nedbank Cup I mean MTN 8 by winning a calling knockout so ngobana 2 trophies in the bag and then elite bangawina Nedbank Cup as a shy double treble. I don't think they so achieve that. AP9 team South African football history the way Parades the way badlala ngayo the way bacoachwa ngayo bangabuya nayo izoqala kule weekend More Wo3 against TTM Nedbank Cup eDurban masibone khona bafethu ngicela sinqole comments ngingale bal support channel share like and subscribe watch up bafethu.